What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have a very special unboxing today. It is going to be a luxury makeup bag to add to my makeup bag collections, and the one that I chose is from Louis Vuitton. Now, I know that every makeup bag, designer makeup bag that is, they're always sold out. So the ones that I want don't even exist, like the size, you know what I'm saying? So I just chose something that is not even considered a makeup bag. It's called something else. So this is gonna be my first Louis Vuitton bag that I bought like directly from the store. I have some other vintage items. I think I showed them in like a cleaning video. There are these vintage little mules from Louis Vuitton that I love so much that I received as a gift, and I think I only wore them twice. So I'm just like going through the letters and the certificates of, you know, authenticity. And everything feels super legit. Am I excited? Heck yes. I'm so excited to add like all my Chanel makeup, all my Valentino makeup. I have some Givenchy makeup. I have Dior makeup brushes, like a whole Dior haul that I did. And I'm just so excited to add it to this packing cube. Yep, so I don't know, that little envelope was like so difficult to open, so it's not even worth writing a little gift note to and from, because it'll just like look crazy. Or I was like the only one who don't know how to open it. But that was so rewarding. The first end tie. The ribbon feels so good. And I'm just like taking it all in. Yes, everything feels so awesome. If you have a chance to get anything Louis Vuitton, I highly recommend it. Do I recommend this little packing cube? Absolutely. It's like a travel packing cube that you would just put some like t-shirts in, or like underwears, panties. It's considered men's, I guess, because the color, I don't know, because men need a Louis Vuitton cube more than a woman. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But I felt like this bag was a return. The first time I opened it, I was like, okay, where is the little plastic thing on the zipper? And then right away I noticed this gash. Like, what is that about? Is this a bag that I got not resale, just to paint on? Now I gotta get me some Angela's paints and paint me something super cute on my new Louis Vuitton makeup bag. I have so many ideas. But yeah, I'm just gonna basically start filling it. I think I'm gonna do a video at the end of all my unboxings of all my luxury makeup, and just make a video of me filling my Louis Vuitton packing cube. So this is the Louis Vuitton packing cube in the style MM. It retails for $650. The taxes of where I'm located was around $40, and my total was $690.63. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Make sure you like this video, and make sure you check out all my other unboxing videos, and look out for more luxury unboxings in the future. Bye guys, thanks for watching.